Question number 1. If a person walks towards a plane mirror at speed of 10 meters per second, then at what speed his image would seem to be coming towards him in the mirror? A. Information inadequate. B. 5 meters per second. C. 10 meters per second. D. 20 meters per second. Correct answer is option D, 20 meters per second. If you approach a plane mirror at a certain velocity v, your image approaches the mirror at the same speed, so the relative velocity between you and your image will be 2v. Hence the image will approach you with a speed of 20 centimeters per second. The image formed by the plane mirror is always virtual. Question number 2. The Biosphere Reserve Program in India was started in which year? A. 1945. B. 1971. C. 1986. D. 2002. Correct answer is option C, 1986. The Biosphere Reserve Program in India was started in 1986. While the concept of biosphere reserves was initiated by UNESCO in 1971 under their Man and Biosphere Program, MAB, the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve was the first one established in India in 1986. There are over 500 biosphere reserves in over 100 countries around the world. There are 18 notified biosphere reserves in India. Out of them, 12 biosphere reserves are in UNESCO's Man and Biosphere World Network. Question number 3. Which of the following Vedas is referred to as the starting source of the word Rudra? A. Rigved. B. Samaved. C. Yajurved. D. Atharvaved. Correct answer is option A, Rigved. The Ved where the word Rudra is first mentioned is the Rigved. Rudra in Rigved, the Rigved contains multiple hymns specifically addressing Rudra, making it the primary source for this deity. Meaning of Rudra: Rudra is a Vedic god often associated with storms and the hunt. Association with storms: in the Rig Veda, Rudra is often associated with storms and the wild forces of nature. Question number 4. Goiter disease is most commonly caused by a deficiency of A. Iron. B. Calcium. C. Iodine. D. Vitamin C. Correct answer is option C, iodine. Goiter disease is most commonly caused by a deficiency of iodine. Iodine is essential for the production of thyroid hormones, and when the body doesn't have enough iodine, the thyroid gland enlarges in an attempt to capture more iodine. Iron deficiency can cause iron deficiency anemia. Iron deficiency anemia happens when the body doesn't have enough iron to make red blood cells. Calcium deficiency can cause several diseases, including osteoporosis, rickets, osteopenia. Question number 5. Which is the largest cold desert in the world? A. Sahara Desert. B. Antarctica Desert. B. Arctic Desert. D. Gobi Desert. Correct answer is option B, Antarctica Desert. Antarctica is the largest desert in the world. It is also the largest cold desert in the world, covering the continent of Antarctica with a size of around 5.5 million square miles. The Sahara Desert in Africa is the largest hot desert in the world and the third largest desert overall. Question number 6. Which of the following is an example of interference of light? A. Soap bubbles look colorful. B. Seawater looks blue. C. Sun looks white. D. Atmosphere looks black. Correct answer is option A. Soap bubbles look colorful. A common example of light interference is the colorful patterns seen on a soap bubble, where light reflecting from different layers of the soap film interferes with each other, creating a spectrum of colors. Other examples of light interference: 1. Oil film on water. 2. Iridescence in butterfly wings. 3. Thin film coatings on optical instruments. Question number 7. The Big Bang Theory explains the origin of A. Mammals. B. Ice Age. C. Universe. D. Ocean. Correct answer is option C. Universe. Origin: the universe began as a single, infinitely hot, and dense point that exploded in a massive blast. Time's expansion: the universe has been expanding ever since the Big Bang. Cooling: the universe has cooled down, allowing atoms to form. Age: the universe is approximately 13.7 billion years old.
Question number 8. Vardhavan Port, recently seen in the news, is located in which state? A. Gujarat. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Maharashtra. D. Kerala. Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid foundation stone of Vardhavan Port project worth around 76,000 crore rupees on 30th August 2024. Location: the port is situated in the Palghar district of Maharashtra. Major feature: it is being developed as India's largest deep-water port. Significance: it is considered a major upcoming deep-water port on India's west coast. Question 9. According to recent report, which country has secured the top spot as biggest plastic polluter in the world? Option A. India. Option B. China. Option C. USA. Option D. Brazil. Correct answer is option A. India. According to recent reports, India is currently considered the world's largest plastic polluter, emitting roughly one-fifth of global plastic waste, based on a study published in the journal Nature. Amount of plastic pollution: India is estimated to release around 9.3 million tons of plastic annually. Reason for high pollution: the study attribute India's top ranking to a lack of access to waste collection facilities. Question 10. Exercise Simbex was recently conducted between India and which country? A. Germany. B. USA. C. France. D. Singapore. Correct answer is option D. Singapore. The 31st Singapore-India Maritime Bilateral Exercise, SIMBEX, held at Eastern Naval Command, Vishakhapatnam from 23 to 29 October 2024. SIMBEX, an annual exercise between the Indian Navy and Republic of Singapore Navy, began as Exercise Lion King in 1994. The exercise was previously known as Exercise Lion King.